Welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're going to be looking at the one gang two-way rockers. When you receive your product, it will come in the following packaging. You'll have your usual barcode information and some information about the brand. When you open your packet, you'll receive your product, your instruction leaflet, and a packet of screws. To gain access to the subframe, you can remove the front plate, which gives you access to your screw holes for fixing to your back box and the module itself. Two-way switches can also be used in a one-way functionality by ignoring the bottom hole. They can also be used in conjunction with intermediate switches, which have 4 holes rather than 3 on the back. Once you have fitted, you can refix your plate in the colour of your choosing. There are 24 colours to choose from. If you need any more information, feel free to visit www.trendyswitch.com or give us a call.